Welcome to Creating with Mimi. Today we're located in the lovely Porter Ranch and we're looking at a Toll Brothers home. Absolutely love this, guys. It is going to be such a treat and a delight. As soon as you walk into this open space, to the left is your mother's suite or your in-law suite, and it is stationed perfectly in the front of the house away from everything. Then the living room is to the left. So this space is very spacious. You have your own door for exiting and entering the property, so it's a very private exit. There is the kitchenette area, which is right before you get to the bedroom. This is such a luxurious area. You can be in this area and completely closed off from everything else. Spaciousness, the planning, it is superb. This entry hall, it's a room. It is so super grand. It's spectacular walking in the space. You have the floated stairwell with the glass banister, super large 9-foot wood doors. This space is absolutely stunning. You see the dining area, and then you're looking to a 2-story dining room back through the backyard. The views are absolutely spectacular. This home is so large and spacious. It has been well thought out and put together. What you're looking at now is the wine cellar. Typically you would see a wall there, and I love the architect decided to place a wine cellar in that area. The kitchen, guys, it's gorgeous. I love the mix of the white cabinets, then you have the black cabinets bringing in some of those warm tones with the wood. You have 2 different countertops, the black and the white, but in the center of the room, it is a light countertop to keep everything flowing and just open. This is the epitome of indoor, outdoor, sliding doors, your disappearing doors. They've equipped it with very nice appliances, cabinets all the way to the ceiling. Elegance. I love the way the kitchen is centered, and you can look at everything from just the focal point of the kitchen. This home is equipped with what we used to call a butler's pantry, but it's the second kitchen. It's the prep kitchen. You have a complete stove, pantry area, dishwasher, sink, and it's even large enough where you can place an island in the center of this space. Refrigerator and cabinets galore. In this spacious family room, amazing. 2 sofas, room for additional seating, a super large cocktail table. Oversized linear fireplace in the family room, television. The detail in this home is spectacular. Enjoy the rest of the video. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what your favorite part of the video. And remember, make every day a great day.
Kiss still burning, didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile? It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much farther. You're on the horizon. You're on the horizon. I'm a butterfly who has only begun, taking me a while to get it. Had to live and cry to appreciate life and what you give is worth it. When you're holding me, when you hold me so close, I'm a brother in under your skin. Wanna leave a mark so that I can be sure that you remember what's been. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. You're on the horizon. You're on the horizon. Let me tell you what I found. Leaving everything behind, knowing there is more in life than I would. Now I wanna embrace life, you and I side by side, knowing there is more in life than I would. I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with our bedroom door locked. trust, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right here we got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything and there's a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, love.
If you like this video, guys, please subscribe. Hit that notification bell, and that way you'll get notified each time a new upload comes up. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys for all of those that are following, and make every day a great day.